Is the only thing you love about your house the low interest rate? This is a great conversation starter. I actually had a meeting with a client not too long ago, and they said the only thing that they really love about their house right now is the low interest rate. Their family dynamic is changing, their kids are growing, their incomes have improved, and they're really getting kind of tired of their first home and are ready to move up to their second home. And with that, they said, really, the only thing we love about our current living situation is the low interest rate. And that's really holding a lot of families back from taking the next step. They get very caught up in the low monthly payment, which is fantastic. It's smart financially, but they're really holding back from a lifestyle change that their family is in need of. So whether you're looking to move up or move down, a lot of people we're having this conversation around is these low interest rates, and that's what's holding them back. So the conversation that we had was really, where do you see yourself in 2, 3, 4, 5 years down the road? And they're kind of stuck in this conundrum. Should they be making some certain improvements to their house, knowing that they're full well going to be making a move? They've got some things around their house that are tired, whether it be flooring or paint or decor. Maybe there's some appliances that need to be updated. So they're really trying to look at how they can make it work in the rather the short term for making some plans for long term. So we had a conversation around making the move sooner versus later, but what that looks like, whether it be 6 months or a year from now, how they can prepare themselves financially, and then also make some smart investments in their home. So I want to just share that conversation with you and how that went. We specialize in helping families navigate that move from their first house to their next house and what that looks like. And it certainly makes a difference having someone as a sounding board with some experience and being able to help you navigate it based on how we've helped many other clients make that move. So reach out to us at 651-777-3434. Connect with us, whether you're looking to make a move down the road or sooner versus later. We'd love to have a conversation with you. Put that equity to work for you. We've got a lot of our clients that have bought and they're positioned great financially, and they're in a position where they can make that move and really wouldn't be as compromising as you would think to let go of that lower interest rate, maybe jump up to a nicer home. It might be a little bit more expensive, but at the same time, your lifestyle is going to be a lot better place as you position yourself for the long term. So certainly reach out to us. Again, 651-777-3434. We're here to help and assist, help you navigate that move. Take care. Have a great day.